The City of Tracy is happy to report the interim shelters at the Temporary Emergency Housing Facility began supporting unhoused individuals on November 14th. This came after the completion of a water main, electrical work, including exterior lighting on the interim shelters, and a service road. Want more information? Please visit cityoftracy.org/emergency housing or watch the latest Tracy Homeless Advisory Committee meeting on YouTube, Comcast Channel 26, or AT&T Channel 99.